guys. Gypsy Stardust, right. So obviously the cab's pretty clean. I've got my old seat covers on just because I keep climbing through them and getting dirt everywhere, but I've got those new ones that I made like in lockdown. So, into the van. So I'll keep my tools in. I'll move the toilet out. I've already emptied above the cab. That's empty. I'm going to be taking this off. My beautiful dogs. I'll be taking those down. I've taken all the seat covers off anyway. And I'll probably leave the window covering up. The kitchen unit, it doesn't come out in one piece, so I'm going to have to dismantle that, but I want to try and make it in one piece for when I put it back in. I'm going to take the shelf out, my big ass wood burner. It's a beautiful wood burner, but it's too heavy, so I'm going to get hopefully I'm going to get the one that I made and put that one back in, the little one. I've emptied the wardrobe. The kitchen unit has got things in. The spice rack I'll take out. I've taken most of the bedding out. Well, I've taken the bedding out, but the foam and the back. So that's where we're at. I'm going to take you down now to the boot. So beautiful down the canal. Into my beautiful sycamore tree. So we go down now. My boot, I had done some of it. Got to take this bike out. Got some boxes, some tools, my leisure battery. And then it's like ply lines at the back, so I'll be taking that out. So that's where we're at. And then I'm just going to get exactly as much as I can done today. And I'll show you a bit of it on the video and how far we get today. But I just think breaking things down into small steps, that's how I achieve things, because otherwise I get really overwhelmed and stressed. So today is the start of the restoration. See you in a bit, guys.